Right, go on then, Jack. What are we doing today?
We're gonna fix Mum's car.
What's happened to it, mate?
It's broken.
Show us which bit.
This bit.
Oh, what's happened?
The cap's come off.
Cap's come off. Oh, so it should look like that one.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look like that one.
So I'm gonna fix it.
You're going to fix it, are you?
Yeah.
Go on then. Don't put your leg down there. We don't want to get it wet, do we? That's it. So get it in there. So hold on to this bit like that. That's it. And then just turn it to the left. Because it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's it. Just like that.
It's hard.
Do you need some help?
No.
Sure?
It's just this screwdriver.
Let Daddy. Right, now you twist it. Daddy'll hold it, you twist it. That's it.
And I'll get the other.
That's it, look. Here you going. So everyone out here is going to comment on Jack's screwdriver skills, because you're just learning, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
So we're going to teach you how to fix cars, aren't we? And this will be the first car you've fixed, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mostly I put screen wash in Mum's car.
You put screen wash in Mummy's car. Ah, see, that's good, isn't it? That means Mummy's not going to run out, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah? No, look. It's nearly out, isn't it, bud?
Yeah.
Hang on. Turn some more. Getting you with a snap-on screwdriver, mate, eh? Right. So let's just finish that bit off for you. That's it. So what we need to do is we need to swap this cap over. Yeah? That's pretty well squashed in there, so...
Can I put the cap on?
Hang on. We just need to push the screw out, because we need to use the screw again. Do you think you can hold the camera? Point it on Daddy. Or Daddy's hands. Show what we're doing. It's a bit tight in there, mate, isn't it? Let's use my t-shirt.
I'm putting it
There
out.
we go.
Your t-shirt.
That's it, look. We just needed to get it to unscrew like that. Yeah? Right, and that's the old busted one, isn't it?
I'll put it on.
Hold on, keep filming. I'm just going to get it started for you, mate. Just get it started in the hole for you, bud. Right. Daddy, hold on to the camera. Have you got the screwdriver? So that he can move his hand. There we go, and I'll hold it onto the end again. You give it your finest hand screwdrivering. That's
this
it.
is hard, isn't it?
No.
Except that one. That one's easier.
I like the determination, mate. It's good. And what do you get when you've finished doing this, mate?
Ice lollies.
Ice lollies. Oh. Is that a special treat? Yeah, for fixing Mummy's car?
No.
No? Right.
Mum just said I could.
Let Daddy make sure it's tight enough then. That's it. And do you want to close the cap?
Bye, cap.
Done. And what you got to say, Jack? What have you done?
I've just fixed Mum's car.
Brilliant. So you see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.